Hey everybody, what's going on? Shaq here again. This time we're trying something a little different. We're going to do both the departure and arrival on this video. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. We're currently blasting out of O'Hare. We're going to fly over downtown. We're in the 321, flying for American today, and we're standing up to Cancer. So hopefully you get a kick out of this one. It's going to be a very scenic approach. And on arrival as well. On this trip, we're headed to Philadelphia. We'll come down here, and we're going 27 right. So hopefully we get a scenic way out, scenic way in. We're lining up 10 left on Delta Delta. It'll be this turn right here. So sit back, relax, and we'll have you at your destination very shortly. Awesome. Get you up, put you over there, put you there. All right, we're not flying online. At the time of the recording, there was no air traffic control, so we'll spare ourselves on this one. But yeah, that's what we got going on. 10 left right here. Clear this way. Clear that way. Let's check our lineup on this one. Start our clock. And we'll take this from the roll. So we're just going to come out runway heading and try to fly right over gorgeous Chicago. Let's see how we did. Oh, that was bad. Anyways, here we go. Get relined up here. All right. Got stable engines. Toga. Awesome. Whoop. Sorry about. Here we go. All right, there is 80 knots. Neutral by 100. Awesome. We're coming up on V1 and rotate. Lift that nose up ever so slightly. Here we go. Perfect. Positive rate gear coming up. Watch your ears. Fly by. Sweet. All right, just like that, there's 2,000. We got a positive rate and climb. We want to confirm that. There it is. Dial those engines back, just like that. Awesome. Keep the nose down. Establish that rate of climb, or that positive trend in airspeed, I should say. We still are climbing. Looking good. We're going 5,000 feet. So at this point, we're really just going to hand it over to the autopilot. We'll go here. And we'll do this. Cool. We'll direct, just to be sure. Can never be too sure. There's our direct. Cool. There's 5,000, just like that. Awesome. Real quick, lights are off. You are good. Awesome. After takeoff, checklist flaps can actually come up. And there they go. Chicago, it's been real. It has been real. Sweet. All right. Just coming out. You can see the city over there. Maybe the first officer will get a better view. We'll check that. There it is. Look at that. Always nice flying in and out of Chicago for this view right here. Absolutely gorgeous. We'll level off 5,000 for now till we get out over the lake. Then we'll continue the climb. Awesome. 5,250 on the speed. All is looking good. Looking great. So like I said, guys, we're trying something new. On cool approaches, cool departures. We'll try to do a little bit of both, you know, get you the view on both ends of the scale. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. If you do, drop a comment, let me know. Let's try to get this video up to 30 likes, guys. 30 likes and I will guarantee we do something different like this. So hopefully it is something you enjoy. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with the flight, and I'll see you on our approach into Philadelphia. Enjoy. Alright, guys, we are back on our approach into Philadelphia. Just getting through 10,000 feet. Airplane is slowing down to that 250. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Truly do. Like I said, we're trying something new here. So, brought you in. Alright, I got rid of it at just about 10,000 feet or so. No, just after we hit the water out of Chicago, sorry. And we'll bring you back 10,000 feet on in. So like I said, I do hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this style here. And if it's something you do enjoy, we'll keep it up. We'll keep rolling with it. And if not, we'll switch it up. We'll try something different here. But we're almost into Philly. We're going to give ourselves a little Victor Vector. The airplane will never make this turn here anyway, so yeah, we'll definitely have to switch that up. So once we hit Bunts here in 6 miles, we're going to go straight, kind of do a long traffic pattern. But besides that, we'll go ahead and get our wing light on. We just passed through 10,000. Seatbelt signs were on. It was a little choppy, so I decided to put them on a little bit early here. But yeah, we have everything, not everything, but just about everything. We have our ILS frequencies, auto brakes. We can go ahead and arm you for the time being. We might need you in a little bit. But yeah, like I said, hope you guys are truly enjoying it. So this is what we're going to do. The flight plan now basically has us coming here in some impossible turns. So, you know, that's not going to work. Simply just not going to work. So we'll come into heading mode now. And we'll go 090 for this one, and we'll keep it coming. We want to be at an altitude of 4,000 feet. So we'll do that, 4,000, perfect. Coming through 10,000, we can do this. We'll activate, confirm. We'll come out of speed mode, because if you don't, it will just drop you to your VAP speed. So we'll basically fall out of the sky. Approaching beautiful Philadelphia, just off in the horizon. Can't see it quite yet, but we will. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous coming into it this evening. Let's see. Nope, can't see it yet. Awesome. Lights are just coming on here in Pennsylvania. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this. We'll give you a little cabin announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, this is your captain speaking. We are on our final approach into Philadelphia. We might be touching down just a few moments early. On behalf of this Charlotte-based flight crew, we'd like to thank you so much for flying American Airlines, and we hope to see you on a future flight. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival. There you have it. Look at that. Look at that. So the city should be somewhere around here. Let's see. I would have thought somewhere. But we're gonna go a little faster on the descent. Cool. There's 6,000. Not too bad. So we have that. We're looking at 144 for our final speed. Not too bad. Get a flyby for you. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, guys, one thing I forgot to do is I forgot to start PACX, so I just closed it out. We are flying for a virtual airline, American virtual airline. You'll come to find out when I'm not streaming. I do a lot of VA flying. There's Philadelphia off in the distance there. I do a lot of VA flying. I love the sense of immersion it gives you. So you'll come to find that out real quick, real quick. I love doing my VA flying. So we'll come 10 degrees this way. We'll go 100. Cool. We don't want to get too far out, so it's like a 100 bazillion mile turn back to the airport. But yeah, it's definitely going to be a nice one. That I do know. Do we have? Let's see. If we go here, we need bunts. Then here, MENGE. MEN, right? MENGE, correct. Come here. What? Not allowed. Try me. And then we'll go from here to there. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. So that will work, actually. Worked very fine. Just actually how I wanted to do it. Cool. So just outside of Center City, Philadelphia. So it's going to be a beautiful, absolutely beautiful approach into Philly today. Can't see anything as far as the airfield quite yet, but there's the city. There she be. Alright, so we're at 4,000. Looks good. Yeah, this is pretty cool. There's a little airport right there. Doesn't say what it is, but it's something. It's something. All right. Get a few wing views out over here. Wonder what highway this is. If any of you guys know, just off the sim, what highway is that? So just so you know, we're just outside of Philly, right? Goes all the way, look at that, all the way. Pretty cool. Oof, let's get ready to fly. So we'll make our turn, come in, bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, I definitely absolutely love coming to Philly. Probably up there with some of my favorite approaches. Just the city, you see the city, you see the sports complex, so the harbor, the docks. It's pretty cool coming into Philadelphia. Right, so we are 11 miles out. We'll go ahead and start slowing down here. We'll do 210. That should get us right below our green dot speed. Or not right below, but it will get us below. So we'll wait for our little green dot speed right there. Go ahead and get our LS push buttons on left and right. Lovely. Alright, coming there. Go and get flaps 1 out. Go and get flaps 2 out as well. Ooh, don't know what that little stutter was. Something ain't happy down there, I'll tell you that much. Wonder what that could have been. I truly have no idea. But I believe... There it is. There's the airport. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We'll go ahead and get this armed in just a moment. We'll bring you back. Looking good. Alright, so look, there it is. Let's see what we can do here. We'll throw in the loc. We'll get that on. So let's go full approach mode. We'll grab the loc and the glide all in one fluent motion here. Once we start our turn, we'll go 180 on the speed as well. We'll start our descent down to 3,000. And 180 on the speed, coming back. So get rid of this chart, and real quick, we'll be landing 27 left, so once we land, we're going to want to vacate to the right-hand side, and we'll make our way probably to Bravo or Charlie gates in Philly. Huh. I wonder what's going on down there. Alright, so over there is Philly. We're coming right along into the airport. We see it just off of our right side over there. Looking good, looking beautiful as ever. Awesome. So we're at 3,180 knots on the speed. Looking good. Hopefully all pans out. We'll see. Alright, real quick. We'll go. You're good, you're good. Both are on. Set, I should say. Lights are looking good. We did ding when the back seatbelt signs are on. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. We'll grab that loc. We're flying right into it. We'll grab the localizer. There it is. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And at Jalto, right here, we'll should be at the glide slope spot where we intercept our glide slope. There's beautiful Philadelphia right over there. Looky here. That's what I was saying. Awesome. Always cool coming into Philly. You see there's tons of container ships. That right there is, in real life, those would be decommissioned World War II ships, maybe Vietnam War, something along those lines. But you'll see a whole row of them. It's really cool. And here is the city itself of Philadelphia. All right, we're gonna grab that. There's the glide. Awesome. All we got to do, slow down, get everything ready to rumble. Awesome. We're 8 miles out. Not bad, not bad. We're on the approach. We'll go ahead and get you on. Lovely. $2,500. Checked. 5 miles out. We'll go ahead and get everything slowed down, get all of our gear down, get the plane dirtied up, ready to land. Must be somewhat of an issue with the V states that I have. I have V states. I think there's an ortho that comes with the Philadelphia scenery. So there we go. Get you out. Drop our gear. Awesome. Yeah, it's definitely something with the ortho of the scenery and V states that don't match up. So we'll go flaps 3 and flaps full. Landing checklist. Gear down 3 green. Flaps full. Speed brakes are armed. Cabin crew has been advised. ECAM memos. All green, no blue. Landing checklist complete. Alright guys, it's time. I'll see you on the ground. Get my feet on the pedals here. Looking good. My airplane? Perfect. $1,000 feet checked, and missed approach altitude is 3,000. So on a missed approach, we'll do a runway heading, and then a climbing runway heading to 1500, then a right turn to a heading of 115. Stable. $400. 100 above. 300. Minimum. Continue. 200. $100. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5. Spoilers up, reverse green. 9? What? A -9. Holy cow. Alright, we are definitely on the decel. There is 70 knots. We will stow everything, switch over to the manuals. Awesome. Holy cow, folks. -9. Wowzers. We'll take this one right here. Right, once we get past the line, we'll stop, put you down, get you guys up. Looks good. Come strobes off, both off, wing lights off. APU can come to the on position. And that should be enough time. We'll stop our clock. Cool, hour 32, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I think SimBrief gave us an hour 35, so if anything, oof, came in just a bit earlier. But guys, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright. Take off. Flaps are disarmed, speed brakes are disarmed, spoilers. Flaps are up, lights are off. No hot brakes. Wait, yeah, we do have some hot brakes. Wow, they heat up quick, actually. Cool. Once we get the avail, go ahead and chop the first engine off. Waiting for that right there. And we'll switch over to our ground charts. Let's see. We'll take Kilo in. We'll take the Bravo gates today. There we go. We have an avail. Get this engine off. And let's see. Coming into the ramp area. Get you off. There we go. Come up here. Don't want to alarm the passengers in the back. We'll take, let's see, take one of these Bravo gates over on the left over here. That one looks to be good. This is Bravo 7, yeah. Cool, we got a docking system here, so we'll follow that in. Oh, just mistimed it. Rats, I tried this, there we go. Tried to hit the brakes just as it said stop. Alright, there we go. Off. And let's see. That's good. Stand them up. Get them off. We'll go here. See what the old VA had to say. -12. Okay, well, hey, nonetheless, we'll take it. Alright, we will finish this flight. And here, ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome to beautiful Philadelphia. Now, the moment you all have been waiting for. Tower view, please. Do we not have our lights on? Wow, must have landed Ghost. Oh boy. Golly. Golly, folks. Holy cow, that's arguably one of the best ones I've ever done on the 330, or the 321, sorry about that. Let's see. We'll stop it from about right there. Go there. I kind of like it from this, like this view right here. It'll look pretty sweet. Beautiful bird coming in here. Absolutely beautiful. Oof. Beautiful city in the background. Oof. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. We'll get one from the runway view here. And we'll call it a night. Kissed it right off the ground right there. Kissed it right off the ground.